Go get it. I don't know. Somebody's
tool.
Somebody's doing yard work. Go get your eggs.
Someone's doing some yard work. Say hi.
Did you see an egg?
She wants to say hi to the neighbor.
Get it.
Good job, kid.
Put it in the basket. There you go. You want to carry your basket with you? Yeah. Okay.
So no
I'm gonna
thanks.
put it right here. Okay? So whenever you find the egg, you gotta put it in the basket, okay?
Hit him all over.
Oh, sorry. Whoops. We're losing ya. Okay, get another egg. Look. Can you see them? Yay! Put it in the basket. Good girl. Hey, Marley. I see one. Yay!
Good job. I see one. Right there. It's a pink one.
Careful.
No, that's alright. Don't be sorry. It's a car. It's the neighbor.
Get your egg.
Some rough terrain out here.
Not really. I don't know why she's doing that. Really? There's some lava rocks. Get your egg, honey. Happy Easter.
Good morning, Happy Easter.
Morning.
She's finding eggs.
So exciting!
Oh yeah. She'll tell you about it for hours.
So fun.
It is fun. Thank you.
Ours was a lot easier this year.
Yeah.
I'm
bet.
sure.
The first time. They're all grown up.
Yeah.
Aw, that's got to be bittersweet, huh?
I know, it is kind of. We're like, okay, guess we're sleeping in.
Yeah.
Alright.
Guess I'll go to the store.
I know.
Aw, sad. Well, you can come over and have ours. Bye.
Bye. You gonna put your egg in the basket, Bubba?
Put your egg in the basket. Come on, we got a few more to find, my love. Good job. Marley. Get it.
Hi guys. She's very neighborly.
She said, hi, guys.
Happy Easter. Tell her Happy Easter.
All those eggs that you put in
Oh yeah, she's got eggs.
There's one that's got M&Ms in it, and she won't let that one go.
So cute.
Okay, keep finding your eggs, my honey.
I see one right there, baby. Yeah.
Thank you. Huh? Molly, we have 2 more eggs in the yard. Can you find them? Get it.
Do you want to go get them?
Go get it, honey. Look. Go get it. No?
Are you done?
She's over it.
All right. Well, say Happy Easter to the
Hey, wait.
camera.
I found one more.
Mario show?
Do you see it?
Yeah, I did.
Go get it.
Okay. Yeah.
Quick.
Marley, can you say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter.
All right.